While it is dual fuel, we have gasoline, we have propane. This is how you switch back and forth. We got the start button, we got the run stop switch, battery indicator. This is where you plug in a smart switch that can auto start the generator, like on a transfer switch. This is your main breaker. We have a data center, provides information like the run hours, stuff like that. Over here we've got 4 outputs. We've got two of the 120 volt 20 amp circuits. I'm just gonna turn the fuel on. We've got it switched to gasoline. Turn it to run, the battery. Over to propane. Open this valve slowly. Okay, got her all hooked up. That's a compression fitting. All set. Feet, 20 feet.
Wherever I go, wherever I see, I remember you. If you remember